जोहार। संवाद, जो कि कॉमनली हम लोग जिसको डायलॉग कहते हैं, what started as a unique thought of bringing the tribal leaders from across the country or the region together has really moved and become bigger and larger and gained really big momentum in the country. As I speak to you today, Samvad over the last one decade has touched more than 40,000 tribal leaders from various parts of the country, and I'm happy to say that more than 250 tribes have been touched by Samvad. 13 aspects of tribal identity have been impacted by Samvad, and each of these aspects of tribal identity has actually evolved and moved forward. For example, languages, the tribal languages. We have worked alongside some of the really intelligent tribal individuals who were working on languages, and with their support, we've been able to get at least a few of these languages into literature books, and happy to report that some of them have actually become school syllabus as well. We have seen Rhythms of the Earth making albums along with the tribal musicians, and that is going to happen again and again and with larger number of people. 15 नवंबर से फिर से जमशेदपुर में संवाद का आगाज़ होने जा रहा है 351 नगाड़ास के साथ from all the tribes of Jharkhand will participate. There will be more than 2,500 tribal leaders in Jamshedpur participating in every aspect of Samvad, and above all, there will be stalls like every year in Gopal Maidan for everyone. Take your time out with your families and friends and visit Gopal Maidan. I would also like to say that 15th of November marks a very important day in the history of Jharkhand. भगवान बिरसा मुंडा का बर्थ एनिवर्सरी है, और उनको हम होमेज भी देंगे उस दिन 15 तारीख को, एंड उसके साथ संवाद का शुरुआत होगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच. जोहार.